Omar Khayyam, a remarkable polymath of the 11th century, soared to prominence through his profound contributions to astronomy, mathematics, and poetry. Born in Nishapur, Persia, his poetic expressions, encapsulated in the Rubaiyat, traverse the transient nature of life, love, and existential contemplation. His quatrains, imbued with philosophical insight and often a touch of melancholy, continue to resonate through the corridors of time, offering a soothing balm to restless souls. As we delve deeper into the poetic universe of Omar Khayyam, we are about to explore two evocative quatrains that beckon us into the ephemeral dance of existence. The first quatrain laments the fleeting nature of youth, portraying it as a vibrant bird of joy whose presence is ephemeral. The second verse invites us to embrace the transient moments of joy amidst the inevitable passage of time. As we delve into these verses, let the rhythmic cadence of Khayyam's reflections guide your thoughts, offering a gentle reprieve as we navigate the delicate interplay of joy and melancholy, life and the inevitability of passage. Khayyam's legacy, a blend of scientific inquiry and poetic reflection, illuminates the boundless realm of human curiosity and the enduring quest for understanding. Now the new year reviving old desires. The thoughtful soul to solitude retires, where the white hand of Moses on the bough puts out, and Jesus from the ground suspires. O my heart, when life breaks you, know that someday everything will end. So, go to nature and enjoy life for some moments, before you find grass growing on your corpse.